If your Beyerdynamic DT-990s are looking flat, dusty, or just aren't as comfortable as they used to be, it's time for a fresh set of pads. I'm going to show you how to remove the old ones and put the new pads on without losing your mind. Just grab the edge of the pad and pull it straight off. Don't worry, you won't break anything. They are just held on by a plastic lip. If your replacement kit came with new foam discs, pop out this inner locking ring, blow away any dust, lay down the new foam, and click the ring back into place. And now starts the hardest part of the job. Slip as much of the ear pad's edge as possible onto the headphone housing. Hold the secured edge down with one hand, and with your other hand try to stretch and pull the remaining edge onto the housing. You can use a flat tool to help you with this. In the end, rotate the pad to make sure it is fully in place. And that is all you need to do when you get new pads and want to replace them.